All right. So we're gonna start off checking our news, Forex Factor. So what's today? 14th. So we had CPI. We had some good, USD news today. We had CPI. The CPI is very volatile. We don't care about the actual or the forecast. We just need to know. We just need to know what time that news gonna come out. You see where at the top it says actual right here, and then it says forecast. This is what they expect the news to come out right here, and then uh, this what it had came out at. We don't care about these numbers. We just need to know when that uh when that volatility is gonna come in the market. What time it's gonna come out, when it's gonna release, so we'll be prepared on how to you know be prepared to play or look for a setup. So that news came out 7:30 our time. Yeah, 7:30. Yeah, so 7:30. So that news came out 7:30 right here, and then this what it did right here. I think it's this counter right here. It just it spiked up, spiked down, then it closed. You see that? This counter right here. I think it was CPI. The way it moved like that, it's like you know, they wiping the board. They just buy went up fast buys, then spiked all the way down sales. But I'm not looking for a setup until after 8:30. So boom, that's that 8:30 candle. Okay, let me start back on the 1 hour. Let's see what we at. So 8:30. That's 8:30. So where did price come from? We came from down here. We went all the way up to a what? We went all the way up to a premium. So when prices in a premium, what kind of setup is that? What are we looking for when prices in a premium?
Sell setup.
Okay. So boom, price was in that premium. So you gotta find it, you gotta find it. It's at a short term premium because on a bigger scheme of things, you know, on a bigger scale, we still in that major discount because we've been selling off like crazy. Look at that on a bigger picture on that daily. See how many days we've been selling off? That's one, two, three, four, five. So when price was up, so when price was up here, it was pretty expensive, and you just see it kept breaking all the way down, breaking all the way down. Compared to here, what price is currently is cheaper versus when price was up here. So you got to keep that in mind. We still at a discount. So this sale is like short term because the real move is that buy. That's how you do that. You get your confluence. So we got to find it. So we know prices above that 50%. So now we're trying to find it. Let me look at the 5 minute. You're trying to see where can you get in at. So zoom in up there. So boom, I see it right now. You know, I'm trying to make it a little better. Okay, boom, right there. Can y'all see it pretty good?
Yeah.
You see this little short term high right here? And then you see how prices pushed up right above this little short term high. Now we're waiting for that market structure shift. Do you see it?
Hmm.
Where you see it at? Is it right here? See my
Mm-hmm.
cursor? Where the market
Mm-hmm.
structure shift at? Right here?
Uh,
Right here?
I don't know. Right now.
Right here?
There we go.
Okay, okay. I'm just trying to test your eye. Try to see if you see it. I know it ain't much though, but this right here, what is this? The five. Let me see what the 1 minute look like, just to make sure. This how you do surgery. You gotta find it. You know what? You know we know where we at, but you gotta find that entry. Okay, I like that. I like the 5 minute better. Yeah, I like the 5 minute better. So that's the time frame I play where we at. So boom. So this is like one whole candle, like it just pushed up right above this little short term high right here. Now we waited for the market structure shift. So we got this little candle did it. I know it ain't much. What did it do? It ran this little short term high right here. Some kind of stocks need to be ran. So this candle did it. So now you waiting for that market structure shift. Let me go to the line chart. So price went up, it came down, made like a higher high. I mean, it made like a higher low, and then price came up. Then you see how it just broke down. Now we got that market structure shift right here. See it? This that short term low right here. That got broken to the right. You see that? Price went up, stop run. Now we're waiting for that market structure shift. Boom, you see these two counters right here? Did we get it? The price closed below this little short term low? Yes. Now you gotta ask yourself, did price leave a gap? So boom, it was like that right there. So you gotta draw it out like this. Wait to right here. Where did it close at right there? So when the next candlestick open up, you want to see it retest this area. You want to see it the next candlestick trading to that candle. Boom. As soon as it does that, you want to get your entry. Why are we looking to press sell? Because price is in a premium. It's at a short term premium. It's kind of expensive right now. So so we went short right here. So in this price, you could play anywhere in this blue area. Anywhere in this little blue area, but your stop loss got to be right above the high. So so price is in a premium. We know where we at on the chart. So let's give it a little space, like right there. So if price is in a premium, let me draw it out again. Take this off. Let me draw that field so y'all can see. So this low right here, here to here. See, you see how see how I did that? We above that 50%. So that's that premium area we're looking to play. So now you gotta ask yourself where the money at. If price is in a premium, we need to see where is price currently at. So what it is. Now you want to draw your risk reward two down. So here, let's see this there right there. So draw, pull it down. Where the money look left to get right here. All these little wicks. You see all these little short term lows and highs. Where they where they got that? What's the name at? That's where the money's at. So that's where you want to target at. Here, here. Where the money at? If price is expensive, where the money at? That's where you want to take profit at. These little areas where the black lines at. So what is this? Let's say we aim for right here. That's a 3 to 1. We risk 1% to gain 3. So we risk $61 to potentially gain 189. Would you press that button? So let's say we sold it 3 times. Now let's play it up. And let me show you this too. So say, let me make this full screen. So So say that this trade right here, it just kept going up higher. It just kept making higher highs and higher lows, just going higher, and it hit your stop loss. It take you out the market. Okay, no worries. All it's doing is going up to a higher premium. You want to see this happening again? This whole the setup that we look for, manipulation, stop run. You want to wait for that market structure to shift, and you got to ask yourself, the price leave a gap. So when the next candle come up for that retest of that gap, that's where you want to get your entry. So you want to see that happen again over here. When it keep going higher and it stop you out, you're looking for the same thing again. Did it run out some highs? Boom, we got it right here. Then price drop down. Did we get that market structure shift? Yes, we did. So when price come back to that gap, you want to see it breaking down. Put your stop loss right above that little high. And then you got to ask yourself, where the money at? And just keep taking it down lower. Just keep on taking it down lower. So let's play it out. Let's see. Trust the setup. Be patient. You're doing it for a good cause. Losses are losses are a part of the game. It's gonna happen. It's all about managing your risk. That's the name of the game. So you see how much money we up right now? Like $400 some. You know, you came in the market with nothing. So this little move right here, this little move right here, that's 140 some points, 142 points. You came in here with nothing, and it gave you that. So be grateful. Be grateful for what the market gives you, because you got to remember, keep that in your mind. 90% of traders lose. So if the market give you some, any amount, be grateful for it. So boom, target achieved. We ain't gonna be too greedy. We're gonna take profit right here. Or you could have took partials, took half of your position off right here, then see price gonna come down to your next target right here. Right here. You see this? This little low. What's this below this low right here?
That money right there.
What is money?
Liquidity.
Oh, okay. And then boom, target achieved. And some. We ain't gonna get too greedy. Let's get out. Let's get out. We ain't gonna get nothing back. Boom. We secured it. That's a nice little leg. You see that? That's a nice little move. Don't get too greedy, because the market will take it back and take you out. I think, how much did it give overall? 362 points. And we closed out right here. We did get some back. That's why I be talking about, don't let it take all your profits. So we closed it out at 30, about 305. That's a nice move. That's a nice lead. And you see how we closed out and it still like it want to go down? Don't get mad and don't just jump in. You get what I'm saying? Because, prices right now is at a discount. If I was to draw the field from this high where we came from, where we dropped down to, it's currently at a discount. Why would you try to get back in? Because you see it going back down. You get what I'm saying? See where we came from up here? It's expensive to being cheap. Why would you, you know, take profit right here and try to get back in? You know, doesn't make sense. You selling at a discount. You get what I'm saying? You want to sell at a premium and you want to buy at a discount. And then look at that. Look, see how it just look at that. See that? That's a nice lead. This could have passed your challenge. Or you could have, that's 400 some points. That's crazy. 400 to the downside. So it's like we catch the high of the day and the low of the day. You get what I'm saying? With this
Yeah.
discounted premium, the sale up here, the buy down here. Let me show you this buy. So look, so right here, what's this below these lows? You see that? What's this below those lows?
Liquidity.
What about these highs right here? You see that? What's this above that? Let's see. All right, so let me zoom it in. So, let me do this. See this little short. Well, we can't. Where did we come from? From a premium, we dropped all the way down to a what? To a discount. That's how you want to draw your field. So this whole area right here below 50%, this is that discount. This the whole discount area. Now you're trying to see where can you get in at. Once you figure out where you at on the chart, you know, zoom in, try to see. You gotta find where you're trying to get in at. So them people got stopped out there. Now we wait for a market structure shift. What today is? It is the 14th. But you see this right here, this whole push down. This like one whole candle on the what is it, 5 or 15 minute? That's one whole candle. It's the 1 minute. You know how they break it in pieces. That's one whole candle. Don't get that confused. Like look, the 5 minute. Look, see this whole push down right here.
Yeah.
These two candles. That's that. What did they do? Look left. What did they do right here?
Took out. Took out that liquidity.
Yep, stop them people out. We trying to zoom in on this little area down here to see where can we get in at. So boom on the 1 minute. You remember that's that whole candle. Don't get that confused. So you're just trying to see where can you get in at because you know where you at on the chart. Let me zoom it out. See where we came from up here. We dropped all the
Mm.
way down here now. So we very cheap. So this where's the money at? So if prices at a discount, we take profit at a premium. This is that premium area up here. So this is what happened today. Price slammed down, stopped out these lows. Now you're trying to see where can we get in at over here. So you want to see a stop run? We saw it on the 5 minute. Let me go back to it. Right here, this the counter that did it. Stop the people out. So boom, we're trying to see that market structure shift. So we drop down to the 1 minute. See if we can see it. All right. So right here. So the 5 minute, that was the stop run. On the 1 minute, we got that market structure shift. Let me show you this. On the 5 minute, you can't even see it. The market structure shift, can it? So you have to find it. So boom, you can see it on the 1 minute right here. Let me zoom it in. See that little short term high right here. Price to the right broke, closed above. You see that? You see that? So now you got to ask yourself: did price leave a gap? Did we leave? Did it leave a gap? See that? So now you waiting for the next candle to open up. You want to see it retest this little blue area. So boom. Soon as it does that, that's where you want to play. Get your interest. Let's say we bought it 3 times right here. So as soon as it came back to that retest that gap, we played. What I mean by play, we pressed the button. So we looking to go long. What would you put your stop loss right below the low? You can put it right below this at the no, that's too close. Right below this little wick right here. See where I put this black line? You can put your SL right there. Yeah, right there. All right. So let me zoom it out a little bit. So we got our entry on the 1 minute. So where the money at? If we on the 5 minute, See them equal highs that I had drew out? That's where the money's at. And then if you look all the way to your left, what is this right here? See that? What is
Yeah.
it? What do we call that? So that little area is still open. And then it's like our previous entry is not our take profit area now. Because these people up here, they in profit. Whoever's still holding that sale from all the way up here, they still in profit up here. So what would they put their stop loss at? Right above the high. All these little highs up here. So it's like a big money. They constantly, they wiping the board. They gonna sell it down and they gonna buy it back up, and then they gonna, you know, take all this away and all this. So it's like they selling down just to buy it back up. So let me go to the 1 minute. So this is, you see the risk to reward says 5.35. So you always gonna risk 1% of your account to gain. It has to be, the risk reward has to be a 2 to 1 or better. But you always gonna risk 1% of your account. So this trade right here is a 5 to 1. So you risking 1% of your account to gain 5. So I'm gonna play it out. So trust the setup. Then what is this right here? I ain't even draw that up. See this right here? What is that? Let me take this off. See that little blue area right there? See how price just traded into it, into that gap?
Yeah.
Start marking them up so you can, help it, if you can't see it that good. Trust the setup. Let me show you this. If say price came all the way down and hit our stop loss, same thing I showed you when price was at that high up there, it's gonna do the same thing. If it hit our stop loss, you want to see the same thing happening again. You want to see a stop run, market structure shift, and then price leave a gap on this leg right here. And when price come back down to it, that's where you want to get your entry. So you want to see it happen again. Stop run on this low, market structure shift. The price leave a gap on this leg right here. When price went up, when it come back down to it, you get your entry and just take it up higher. So say you lost that trade. I look at it as you're gonna get a better entry. It's just gonna go down to a deeper discount. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So boom. So this is how you can get another reentry. So see how price, zoom in. Make sure I got my, okay, there we go. All right. Let me move this back just a little bit. Let me zoom in. But it's like a little gap right here on this little candlestick right here, on this little green one. And then you see how it just wicked into it right here. See this little gap right here on this little green candle. And then when price went up, came back down to rebalance that area, you could have got another entry right here on this little gap. And then look, price went down. See how this green candle, it shot all the way up and it closed. Did it break structure? You see this little short term high right here. Price to the right closed above this line right here. And then you got to ask yourself, did price leave another gap right here? You see that? Did it retest it? Yes, it did right here. So you could have got another entry right here. So boom. So you caught a, let me see. It went long. You got to put your stop loss. Give it some space. May have something reasonable. Same targets. We add into buys. Why? Because price is very expensive right now. So here, same target. So it's like 5 to 1, 4 to 1, almost a 3 to 1. We're gonna round that up. We're gonna trust the setup. We're doing it for a good cause. That's why we in the market. This is a quality setup. You know, we're gonna see it, let it play out. Where's the money at? Go to the 5 minute. But you see these equal highs right here in this gap. That's where the money's at. So do the 1 minute so you can see it. Let me zoom it in, big screen. There we go. But you see this. It's a short term high right here. They got ran. But you see how much it gave us on this leg right here. We got all our inches right here. That's a nice move, ain't it?
Oh yeah,
Don't let this.
that's a great move.
Even though we know where the money's at, these highs, price doesn't necessarily have to go up there right now. Eventually, it's gonna shoot right through all that. But you see how much it gave you. It gave you 477. You came in this thing with nothing. So take what it gives you, because the name of the game is to compound your account. So for the long run. So say you make 477 a day. Uh, you make 477 a day. That's pretty good. That's like 100K plus if you can do that a day. You know, not too many people can pull this amount of money out the market. You get what I'm saying? 90% of traders lose. So you're just trying to compound your account, take some out the market each and every day if you can find a good quality setup, and then look at that target achieved. Did it shoot above the look? See our risk reward tool? Look to the right. Did it hit it? TP got hit. Ran out all this liquidity up here. These equal highs. Well, I got the dollar sign at. Ran them out. So boom, don't get greedy. Just take what it give you, or you could have just took partials. Take half your position off and see if price can go higher. Because you see, let me show you this right here. Because you still see all these highs up here, and then what is this right here? See that right there? What do we call that? That's that gap right here. So boom, that area is still open. This area is still open on the 5 minute. Let me go back to it so you can see it. See it right here? That's that 5 minute. It's that 5 minute gap. And then that's that 1 minute gap there right there. Those areas are still open. So boom. Okay, look at that. You see how it just kept going up and we closed out right here. Let me put the black line. We closed out right here. See that? Well, I put that black line. You know, there's nothing wrong with taking profit, at the market. It's okay that you left some on the table because even though it went up, let me see how much was that. It went up another 165 points. That's okay that you left that on the table. You know, you had it all. We see how we had it all marked up. This gap here, and then let me go back to the 1 minute so you can see that gap again. Right here on the 1 minute. Let me zoom it in. See that little 1 minute gap right there? Price to the right, fill that in. Look, if I zoom it out, look to the T. Look at that, to the T. price is driven to these areas. It's like with these gaps, it's like wind though. You get what I'm saying? Here, filled in. So buyers have been offered in this area. Buyers have been offered in this area. So there's nothing wrong with taking profit. So you had a clear target here. That's reasonable. Boom, it gave it to us. Don't get too greedy. There's nothing wrong with leaving some on the table. You get what I'm saying? But that was a nice little leg. Same thing like I had said on that what was that? That sale up here. That's a nice leg. You know, all you need is one good trade like this. A day. So that dropped 433 to the downside, and then how much it did to the upside. Our interest rate right here. So what is that? 433. What's that? 433 and four. I mean 349. That's 782 points. You know, off those two moves right there. Explosive moves. You see that? It ain't no little small little. Like a little like that. This is trading, and this way you catch the explosive move, but you gotta know how to manage it as it goes. You know, you know, premium, a premium explosive move. Then when price get down to that discount explosive move to the upside. You see that? So these are some very impulsive trades that would be taken that not a lot of people can do. They can't see it like how we see. You see how clean my chart is. You can tell it's somebody. My mentor he always used to tell me that you could tell if somebody can trade just by looking at their chart, how clean it is. I only got like what is it, lines, a little blue box, you know, sniper scopes. That's it, and arrows just to train your eye. Not nothing too crazy, but you see how clean it is. This is how your chart should look. Let me show you this right here. You know, for my new people, if you keep tapping in your eye, well, what I just showed you is like this. But for example, you keep tapping in, the eye just gonna keep getting bigger and bigger. You know, it's gonna keep getting bigger and bigger. Your eyes gonna start burning, and you might need some glasses after a while because you're not gonna get enough sleep. So you know, because you're gonna be thinking about the markets every day. You get what I'm saying? Yep. And that's how y'all looking right now. Y'all smiling ear to ear. You get what I'm saying? But once you practice these concepts like how I broke it down, once you truly understand that premium and discount, and then this right here, once you truly understand where you at on the chart and you use this field, you know, your trading is gonna take off to the next level. So anything above 50%, that's considered that premium area. You're looking for sales setups on a smaller time frame, and then with prices below that 0.5, the 50%, we consider that a discount. You know, a discount area where we're looking for a buy setup on a smaller time frame. So anything above 50%, that's the premium market. So you should look for sales. When prices is below 50%, we're looking for buys on the smaller time frame. Once you understand this, your trading gonna go to the next level. But you see this person right here, their eyes, they bucking their eyes. You get what I'm saying? you know, they got exposed to some, powerful information. This person right here, they ain't getting no sleep. They probably blind. You see how he looking? He probably blind, just looking. Look, ain't getting no sleep, ain't closing his eyes, nothing like that. You don't want to be like that person. Get you some sleep, you know. But this happens every single day. That little cell in that bio I just showed y'all. This happens every single day. But the name of the game is the setup has to be, you know, pretty much A plus. If it doesn't look like this, I'm not looking to play. If it doesn't look like this, I'm not looking to play. You get what I'm saying? It has to look like that. Quality over quantity. It has to be like this every time. I'm not guessing. We not guessing. We don't guess. Everybody else guess. 90% of traders lose. All we doing is we following big money's footsteps. So we're waiting for this to form up. We don't guess. We know where we at on the chart. Premium to discount. To discount to a premium. From a premium, eventually the price is gonna break back down to a discount. And then from a discount, it's gonna break up to a premium. You get what I'm saying? That's you know, that's how prices really, delivered. This book is going constantly from a premium to a discount, from a discount back up to a premium. But yeah, that's all I have for today. You know, make sure you get you some sleep. You know, get you some sleep. Trade safe. You know, that's how you do it.